Some of the very, very popular products that we've sold the last couple of years is the wide angle lens from AOI that can be fitted onto your action camera. There's a wide angle and there's actually also a macro lens. You mount it by using a small adapter system to your action camera, but now AOI has come out with something that is even smarter. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the AOI housing called UH-ACT, and it's an acrylic housing for your action camera. You can see it here. Seems big, doesn't it? Well, it's just because I'm holding it up into my wide angle. It has holes for your tripod or your tray. It has a nice lever for exposing. It has a menu button here so I can access the different functions of your action camera. And it has such a nice grip. The best part of it is that it has a bayonet mount system here so that I can very fast put on the wet lenses from AOI. And that's nice because if you want to do macro, you can just put on the macro really fast. So how does it actually fit different action cameras in there? Because I have a GoPro. Does it fit here? Yes, it does. Would the DJI fit in there as well? Yes, because they have different inserts. And this is an insert. I just slided the GoPro in there and then it fits right into the housing. And I can close it like that. And now it's ready for 60 meters. Turn it on. And yes, as you can see, it's now turning on. So having a macro lens on that sometimes you might like to actually see what you're doing, it's possible to put on the viewfinder here from AOI. It's a really nice feature. That way you can actually see small critters and exactly where the sharpness is. And it's also usable for wide angle. Overall, it's a really nice system. I am very happy with it. It's already selling like hotcakes, and you should get your own if you have an action camera. So go, go, go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it and you'd like to see more, then please support us by hitting that like button or subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about underwater photography equipment, then don't hesitate to get in contact with us or just leave a comment under the video and we'll get back.